let's start our class now. Now we have revision. You might have queries about the exams, right? How the exam will be held. Am I right? Aisha and Ziba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For this, till now, whatever the decision is made, that is the question paper will be of 20 marks. And it will be mixed with MCQs and structured part from our class 9 physics. And we will have 30 minutes duration.
MCQ.
There, there was one idea at the beginning that there could be MCQ, but later on we gave our opinions that if we give only MCQ, this way maybe we are giving them lots of time or enough time that there is possibility to share with the students, right? They will only pick A, B, C, D, then they will only answer this option. But if they write, then we can understand it is, at least he is writing with understanding or she is writing with understanding. That's why they gave the freedom to the teachers. Another point is some of the subjects you need to do working, right? Like maths. So they are only MCQ. It will not be a wise idea. What do you think? Hello?
Hmm?
What do you think
Then
about
it's,
this?
it's okay.
Are you clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for this reason, we are now going through this way that we will have both MCQ part and structured part. Like you had your test paper, right? On different topics.
Yes, sir.
So that kind of that test papers, it's not fixed that how many marks will be in MCQ or structured part. Maybe there will be 8, there will be 7 in MCQ part, then structured part, rest of the marks will be there. This way we are doing. Now another point about the exam, that is you have already test on first two topics our final syllabus, that is lens and which one? Lens and which one?
Light. No, that's lens. I
Yeah,
remember.
yeah, light is a big chapter and one part of that is lens, and another one we did, can you remember? That one is
No, sir.
static electricity. Okay,
Oh,
we did static
okay, sir.
electricity test also. So these two are already assessed. We did the worksheet, we had class, we had lots of discussion on those. So we are planning to give less questions from these two topics, and we will give more questions from which three? Can you tell me? The topic 19,
Current,
current electricity,
electricity,
topic
Current
DC
20,
circuits.
electricity
DC
circuits
circuits,
are
and practical electricity. Okay, these three
Okay, sir.
topics we have more things to discuss now, and for this we are opening this worksheet. You are seeing the screen, right? The worksheet.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one was the worksheet I gave you in the Google Classroom to solve. Beside the worksheet, I also gave you the solution.
Marks. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, mark scheme
Yes,
also
sir.
given there. And in MCQ part, especially, I think you need more explanation because there is only given the options, not any further explanation available over there. So let's start with question number 1 first. Can you read, Aisha, question number 1, what you are seeing?
Mhm. Uh, an ammeter is connected to three resistors and a power supply. Which arrangement of resistors gives the greatest ammeter reading?
So they are asking you about the ammeter reading. Indirectly, they are asking you the current. Got the point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So as they are asking you about the current, you have to find the current from here. For getting current, what you need, can you remember
Sir,
what you need for getting the current?
voltage and resistance. Voltage and
Voltage and
resistance.
resistance. So this one we are thinking, here is in the question they are saying an ammeter is connected to three resistors and a power supply. So we are thinking the power supply is same for all of them. Okay,
Yes, sir.
as the power supply is same, so voltage remains same. Now the current will only depend on resistance, right?
Resistance.
So if the
এবার
resistance,
কখন ঢুকছোস?
uh, is Faraz, welcome to you for joining
Hello,
ধন্যবাদ
our
স্যার।
Faraz.
team.
স্যার কখন
Thank
ঢুকাইছেন ওদেরকে?
They joined
Not
at the
that.
beginning. At the beginning, they joined.
স্যার সবাই ওয়েট করতেছে, সবাইকে ঢুকান।
Yes, my dear, I know we have some limitations as you joined late. That's why I have to repeat it to you that today is a crucial day for me that I cannot
এটা
allow.
ওয়ার্কশিট 3টা না স্যার?
Yeah, worksheet 3. So I'm sorry that I cannot allow them as per school management decision that they who are paid till May, they will only be allowed. Okay. Okay. For that reason, we are not allowing. I'm sorry for that. For us.
আচ্ছা
And,
ঠিক আছে, আমার সমস্যা।
okay.
ওদেরকে
স্যার
বললাম
এটা মেসেঞ্জারে
তাহলে আবার
লিখে
দেখবেন
দিন কারণ
উল্টাপাল্টা।
সবাই অনেক কিছু লিখছে।
হ্যাঁ
Yeah,
সবাই
yeah.
গ্রুপে ঢুকান।
Yeah, please
স্যার
let
লিখে
me
দিন।
know. Let me know if anyone is there. Like I have the list that Afraz, Ahnaf, Ifaz, Karim, Yakin. From other than you three, these five can be joining.
স্যার
Yeah.
ওরা তো
তো
ওয়েটিং
আছে।
রুমে।
Who?
তাহলে আফরোজ আর করিমকে ঢুকান স্যার, ওরাও ওয়েটিং এ।
Afraz and Karim
Yeah.
are also in waiting room. Okay, let's see.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I can see only Karim now. I
Okay,
never
I'll
saw
tell.
I never saw.
I'll tell Afraz.
Yeah.
Afraz was
আমি
there.
গ্রুপে
He
লিখে দিব
said.
এটা, যাদের পেমেন্ট ক্লিয়ার করা হয়নি তাদেরকে ক্লাস করতে
Yeah,
দিবে না।
Yeah, Miss
হ্যাঁ লিখে
Firoz
দাও।
yesterday sent this message in our group yesterday night.
হ্যাঁ মিস, হ্যাঁ স্যার অনেকে দেরি করে দেখে তখন দেখতে পায় না কারণ আমি দেখিনি ওই জিনিস।
Yeah. Scroll back. They did not scroll back. That's why they didn't see. Now, what we are discussing, let's come to this point. So, ammeter reading will be most where
Resistance is the least.
resistance is the least. Very good. Now we know the formula of calculating resistance. Can you remember
sir.
the formula?
Yes, sir. If this is in parallel, then adding those up and doing a inverse, like 1 by r plus 1 by r whole inverse.
Yes, if this is parallel, right?
Parallel. And if it is in serial, then it is just adding, nothing else.
Adding. Okay, here in the first diagram we have three resistors connected in parallel, right? So we have to calculate this one. If you calculate, you will get one value, you record it. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
সবচেয়ে greatest ammeter reading D হবে না, কারণ আমরা সব add করবো।
Which one?
D to 6 সবচেয়ে greatest ammeter reading D হবে না 6।
Let's see. Here the answer is A.
Answer A na sir.
Yeah. Answer is A.
আল্লাহ ফিঙ্গার কি বাড়াই দিছে ডেট বাড়াই দিছে
Who is talking?
7 মাস পরে ডেট বাড়াই দিছে তোমার ওই লোকের সাথে কথা বলো
Any
Karim.
sound is coming from anyone?
হ্যাঁ
Karim.
যে ভাই
Karim,
7
Karim.
মাস পরে ডেট বাড়াই দিচ্ছে কি করব
Hello.
Dude.
Karim. Karim, are you talking to others? Please.
ও কি কয় আমার জানাও
Yeah. Afraz is there, so I am allowing him to join. Afraz. Okay, thank you.
Sir, Karim
Now-
কে বের করে দেন একটু পরে ঢুকান আবার।
Who? Karim.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam. Karim, we are getting noise from your microphone. When
Sorry, it wasn't working properly.
yeah,
My
when you
connection
are
is
talking to
problem.
someone, you should off it then talk. Okay, next time remember it. Now
Working
the
properly
answer
now.
is A. Aisha
Yes, sir.
and all others. You said the answer is D.
Question
কারণ
জানি
সবগুলো
না।
add করবো না
Who said answer D? Aisha, right?
আমি হ্যাঁ
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Question key.
Your ideas could be different.
কিন্তু স্যার ওখানে সবগুলো add করবো না তাই বললাম
Yeah, you
serial wise
will.
থেকে তো add
Yeah,
করবো
you will add it, and if you add it, then you will get maximum resistance, right? Isn't it?
আচ্ছা
So it
Okay.
will come how much? 2, 4, 4, 10 ohms.
কেন?
And if you calculate all these 4, then you will get least resistance in A. Okay. Can anyone
But-
tell me that who did the calculations? Ziva, you did the calculations.
I did it.
Yeah,
Yes,
very
sir.
good.
First
So,
one's resistance is 1. Second one is
just
5.33.
wait,
Third one is 4.
wait. Yes, Aisha and others, please note down this. What she is saying, please note down. The first one, the resistance is 1. How you got 1? Can you
1.
tell me? Yeah.
Using the formula, like
Okay,
1 by 2
which-
plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole inverse.
Yeah. Do you understand, Aisha? How to calculate?
স্যার ক্যালকুলেশন কেমনে করতে হয় আমি জানি
Okay, so now you can try it and you check out that
না আপনি যে বললেন যে এইটা হচ্ছে লিস্ট রেজিস্ট্যান্স আর ডি তে যে ম্যাক্সিমাম রেজিস্ট্যান্স এখানে হচ্ছে গ্রেটেস্ট অ্যামিটার রিডিংস তে
greatest ammeter reading means least resistance. Okay,
আচ্ছা
if the resistance is least, then the ammeter reading will be greatest because the current is most over there. You know, resistance is opposite to current, right?
আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ
If you get most resistance, then the current will be least, right? Now you are clear? Okay. Now I think this one is over, right? Question number 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Ziba, again please repeat. The resistance of A is 1 ohm, B is how much?
B is
5.33.
5.33.
5.33. C is how much?
4.
4. And D
10.
10.
10. So our least resistance in A. Now it's clear. Excellent. Faraz, thank you for joining and taking part in the discussions. Now, second question. This one will be explained by Faraz. Okay, Faraz?
Best of luck, Faraz.
Yeah.
Okay, well, sir, সকাল
Yeah. Please
electron
read it for us. For us.
পড়তেছি স্যার।
Yeah, read loudly so that we can hear you.
A battery of electromotive force 10 volt is connected to a resistor. A charge of 0.2 coulombs passes through the resistor. How much work is done as the charge passes through the resistor? So এটার জন্য আমরা আমরা পিডি যে ফর্মুলা ইউজ করি মানে পোটেনশিয়াল ডিফারেন্স সেটার ফর্মুলা ইউজ করে পাবো।
What is the
কারণ কি
formula?
ফর্মুলাটা কি?
equals to W by Q সেটা ইউজ করে পাবো বা হ্যাঁ সেটাই। তো আমাদের
Yeah.
এখানে ই দেওয়া আছে 10 ভোল্ট, ডাব্লিউ হবে আমাদের 2 ডাব্লিউ না ডাব্লিউ নাই, ডাব্লিউ হবে আমাদের এনার্জি বা তোমার ওয়ার্ক ডানটা, আর তোমার কিউ হবে চার্জ, সেটা হবে 0.2। তো সেটাতে যদি খালি অ্যারেঞ্জ করো তাহলেই হবে, তার মানে এটার আনসার হবে ডি 20 জুলস।
Okay, so this one.
ফর্মুলাটা আরেকবার বলবা?
Yeah, please. You should, if you have the, listen, if you have the worksheet in front of you printed, then you should write this. The notes will be helping you, right? Because
Sir.
even if we are doing, it happens also for me that once we did it, but we forget how we did it, right? But if you are writing this, then you can remember easily that yes, I did that way. Otherwise, you have to start it from the beginning, right? So here we have 20 joules, right? Should I explain it again? Anyone, you have doubts with this one? Or we
Sir,
can
charge is equal to sir, charge and current is the same thing, right?
No.
না,
হ্যাঁ
No.
কারেন্ট হলো অ্যাম্পিয়ারস, চার্জ হলো কলমসে, সেম কেমনে হয়?
Charge by time is current. Okay. Now it's
Oh,
clear.
sorry, columns and current is same, right, sir?
No.
Not either.
Yeah, charge is measured in coulomb. So coulomb per second is ampere. That means charge by time is current. Now you are clear?
Let me write it down, sir, or else I will forget it again.
Yeah, please write. You write
Yes, sir.
current equals charge by time. And here,
Charge by time.
for clearing your doubts about the charge and current. Now for this question, we have the formula EMF equals work done by charge. So we are going to find the work done. Make work done as the subject. Then work done will be EMF multiplied by charge. Clear now? So it's coming,
Yes, sir.
10 multiplied by 2, 20 joules.
Sir, current and voltage is proportional, right?
Yes, that is Ohm's law, right? If the resistance is constant, then current is directly proportional to voltage. That is Ohm's law. That means we are using the same conductor. Resistance and temperature should be constant.
Sir, আমাদের কি আরো ক্লাস হবে আজকের?
Yes, we have the fourth lesson. We will continue this discussion in the fourth lesson. Okay. And we will also do practical class.
Sir, 4টা ক্লাস আছে, 4টাই হবে?
Yes, we will also do practical today.
Sir, Zoom দিয়ে আমাদের প্র্যাকটিসের ইমেজে সেন্ড করে দেন, আমরা ওটা দিয়ে কাজ করব।
We will try to make it possible for you later on, but today we will do it in another way, nice way. You will understand it and you will enjoy it. I think we will do some questions from We will do some questions from paper 4, alternative to practical. Those are also related to practical. That's why today we will continue that way. And later on, we will try to make videos and slides to make it easier for you.
Sir,
Yeah. Now,
sir,
question number
Excuse me,
3.
sir.
Yes,
Sir?
yes, yes.
আগে
স্যার ল্যাব ওইগুলা কিভাবে করব?
আগে
Yeah, tell me, please.
হ্যাঁ আগে ইয়াটা বলবেন
Which one?
প্রিভিয়াস কোশ্চেনের কোন ইয়াটা ইউজ করলাম কি হলো এটা
Which one?
ফর্মুলা
Which one? This
Previous
question number
question.
2. Question number 2.
জি
Okay.
EMF equals to work done by charge না
Yes. Now
তাহলে
we are
work done
going to
gives
find the
EMF by
work done.
charge
Yeah, work done equals EMF multiplied by,
into charge.
yes.
oh
Now it's clear.
স্যার
yes sir
Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next question. Look, the third one. Who wants to explain this one? Question number 3.
Except me, anyone can do it.
Why? You can also. Just now I told you the way to discuss it.
Actually, I didn't saw it yet. The voltage of
Yeah,
water
see.
resistor.
Current is
Yeah, here the idea is
Oh.
Ohm's law. You, if you got it printed, you please write here in this question in notes. You write it is related to Ohm's law, where we get
And is proportional to voltage.
yes, current is directly proportional to voltage. That means if one thing is increasing, the other will also increase, and it will be a straight line because it is directly proportional. If anything is directly proportional, then we are getting a straight line. Okay, here now.
sir
Yes,
প্রত্যেকটা গ্রাফ ইন্ডিভিজুয়ালি বুঝাবেন
yes,
গ্রাফের
sure,
মিনিং
sure. Look, B, A is clear to you, right?
এই অ্যাক্সেলারেশন
Yeah. Now B, look, here voltage is constant but current is increasing, which is not allowing the Ohm's law. And C, voltage is increasing but the current is same. Okay.
ওকে
Then the fourth one, we see voltage increases but the current decreases. So in the fourth one, they are showing it's inversely proportional, not directly proportional. So it's wrong, completely opposite.
so the answer should be A
Correct. The answer should be A. Excellent. So this way, I want questions from other students also, so that from your queries, from your understanding, the other students can also get some benefits. Now, this question. Anyone can explain this?
sir answer to D 4 এর
Answer is
Area has all resistors of that.
let's see what is the answer.
Another
Answer is
wire
D.
system.
Yes. So
So easy to.
this one, you need one formula. This one is a bit difficult question. This question is
Resistance
a bit
is-
difficult.
We need to do it simultaneously, isn't it, sir?
Yes, you have
Nah.
to do it simultaneously. Means we have to take the ratio. Okay.
I need that.
yeah
And look, they are asking you what is the resistance of the longer wire. That means the formula we have. I think
লাইট অফ
you need to know the formula. They who forgot or they still do not know the formula. Who is writing? Please stop it. Please stop it. We are going to the formula, related formula.
স্যার অপশনটা বন্ধ করে দেন লিখার।
Okay, next time I will do. Now let's focus here. By this question, our time will be over, I think, because it will take time. Look, R equals rho L by A. Okay, here rho is the resistivity, L is the length of the wire, A is the cross-sectional area, and R is the resistance. So here we are getting R1 and R2, right? We are getting R1 and R2 for this question. That's why I told you that we have to make the ratio of R1 and R2. We are going to find R2, and we have other information here. Look, well, could you please write?
কে করতেছে এটা?
Please stop it. Please stop it.
অপশনটা অফ করে দেন না, তাহলে তো হয়।
Why we need to stop and control you? You should be controlled by yourself. We don't
ভাই তোরা
want
কি
to.
লাগাইছিস
Yeah, we don't want to lose
আফরাজ
our
নিজে
time.
করতেছ না তুই।
লাগছে আমাদের
Look, I want you to be self-disciplined and self-controlled. Please never do it without my permission. You should only concentrate in the class. If you have any queries, you can ask me. There is option to raise hand, and I will answer your question. No problem. Now look, everyone, you are on the screen, right? Hello. Hello, everyone. Are you seeing the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look.
Yes.
Sir, you just
Look.
continue ignoring that.
Please stop it. Whoever doing, please stop it. Look, here we are getting a wire of length 0.50 meters. So, as I told you that we have here two different wires, right? So we have here 0.50 meter length. We are writing it as L1. Please write, everyone, L1. L1 is 0.50 meter. Then you have cross-sectional area of the same wire, so it will be A1, and the resistance is 0.75 ohm, so it is R1. Did you write, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
করিম
please
তুই
write.
কি বুঝাইতেছিস?
Please write, then it will be easier to understand. Now you have here another wire of the same material. Here you have one note. If the object is same or the conductor is same material, then please listen and take
আরে
part.
ভাই
Don't
কি
write
লাগাইছিস
this.
তোরা?
Please don't write this. Only once, if your teacher is saying anything, you should listen that one. Now look, same material means we have same resistivity. Got my point, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You should take this note that if the material is same, there will be same resistivity. So for both the wires, we have same row. Yeah, so when we'll do the ratio, then both the rows will be cut. Clear? Is it clear?
Once
স্যার
again,
আবার
sir.
রিপিট করেন তো।
Okay, I am repeating that our formula was this one. Look, we have this formula. R equals rho L by A, right?
Sir, একটু লিখবেন স্যার, তাহলে ইজি হবে।
Actually, here it's difficult for me to write. Okay, I will try it next time. Now you please
R
write.
Okay, sir.
equals.
Yeah, R
So R
equals
equals.
rho L by A. Rho is resistivity, L is length, A is cross-sectional area, right?
Like L divided by A.
Correct. L divided by A.
So rho কি আবার ফিরে ভুলে
Rho
গেছি।
is resistivity. It's a new term
আচ্ছা।
for, it's related to resistance, length, and area, cross-sectional area. So,
স্যার এটা কিন্তু যদি দুই ভাবে লেখা যায় তাহলে এটা হবে না R is proportional to L or R is inversely proportional to A.
yeah, we discussed it here in the notes. Look,
Yeah.
here we have the discussion. Okay,
কেউ কি আমাকে ডাক দিতে নিছো?
here we have the discussion. Afraz,
Yes, sir.
Afraz, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Do you
Yes,
understand?
sir. No, sir.
You don't understand.
No, sir.
Why you are late to join? Please go
স্যার
through
কি
the.
লেট? আমি তো কতক্ষণ ধরে আসছিলাম, আমাকে তো ইগনোর করে
But
যাইতেছে।
whenever I saw in waiting room, that time I admitted you.
ওয়েটিং
Maybe
রুমে স্যার
you
আমি
came
কতক্ষণ
before.
ধরে বইসা চ্যাট করতেছি।
Yeah, I saw you
আমার
before
কেউ
the
অ্যাড না
class,
করলে আমারে
but during the class, once I saw you, I admitted you. Okay. Look, Aisha and others.
আমার কিছু করার নাই।
Okay. Afraz, you whatever you are getting now, please note down and take the videos. Okay. I will upload today's class. That time you will understand.
ইনশাআল্লাহ।
Okay. Now we have here length of 2 meters, so it will be L2. Are you writing L2?
Yes,
So,
sir.
and cross-sectional area of 0.50 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. So please also write this one as A2. Okay. And what is the resistance of the longer wire? What is the resistance of the longer wire? Now this one is R2. So what will be the formula? Can you tell me, anyone?
I get a resistance equals to resistivity divided by
You write
length times
the
cross-sectional
formula
area.
this way: R2 by R1 equals rho L2 by A2 divided by rho L1 by A1. Clear, everyone?
কারেম বন্ধ করতে যদি
স্যার আবার
কইরা
রিপিট
থাকো।
করেন তো।
Yeah. If you want to get the ratio, then you will have R2 by R1, right? You please write R2 divided by R1
আচ্ছা তারপরে
equals, for R what you got? For R you got this formula, right? Rho L by A. So you write for R2 we are getting rho L2 by A2. Just put the value. Yeah, rho L2 by A2 divided by rho L1 by A1.
Divided by
Rho L1 by A1. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
So here we see
স্যার
that
সব
rho.
মাথার উপর দেওয়া যেতেছে।
No, it will not go through your head. I will send you in the messenger. Okay, the solution. Right now I am doing it and I'm sending it. Okay. Now, students, could you please give me 2 more minutes to the snap and sum of the class. Okay. Today we discussed till how much? Till question 4
Question 4.
right now, and we have another lesson, and we will continue from question 4 again. No problem. They who are thinking
এখন
that
কি ক্লাস?
you did not understand, please
Actually-
don't talk now. Please don't talk now. I am finishing, so after that you can talk. Now, after this class is over, you have 5 minutes. Then you will join the other class. So our class will be 4th lesson. We will continue from this question 4. Okay? Here, everyone.
Okay, sir.
And thank you for your participation. And give me 1 minute to take the snap of today's class. After that, the class will be over.
Sir, participants are snap.
Yes, yes. They,
Okay, sir.
they who are taking part in the class, we are taking the
Sir, done, sir.
attendance.
এখনই দিচ্ছি।
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, that's all for today's class. We will have another class on 4th lesson. Okay.
জিবা
Allah
ম্যাথ
Hafiz.
3 ক্লাস
Allah
কয়টায়?
Hafiz.
আল্লাহ হাফেজ স্যার।